on me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'll be showing you viewers how to basically sew down your lace frontal wigs without any glue, without any got-to-be glue. Let us save our edges, girls and boys. Let's just save our edges. Got to be glued is not as strong as bolt hold glue or any other glue that's in the market, but it sticks on for so long even though it's a gel based glue and it rips off edges. I am not kidding you viewers. Got to be glue rips off edges, especially if you consistently like wigs and you put it on every other day. You will lose your edges. It's the same as proper glued on wigs. So I was like, I love my frontals, I'm not into closures. How can I basically rock my frontals? As you can see, I don't have baby hair today. I am not looking for baby hair today. How can I basically sew it down and have that same got to be glued effect? Right now this wig has been sewn down. You can still create your baby hair, but make sure you do not glue the wig down. Just sew it down tight and create baby hair on your skin. With that, no edges is being removed and it's your choice. I don't really like the baby hair effect on straight hair and wavy hair textures. I only like it on curly hair textures because I feel like it makes more sense when it's curly. But for now, my lace frontal wig starting from the side of my hairline, one ear to ear, is laid flat without any glue or gel based glue. So viewers, I just wanted to come on camera and show you viewers how to get it done, and I will be showing you in the next few seconds. Before I show you viewers, I wanted to talk about this hair. This hair is the bomb.com. This hair is so amazing. This hair is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I have 5 bundles. It is really heavy. You do not need 5 bundles. You only need 3 or 4 bundles depending on the length, but this length is 28 inches and it goes straight to my bum. I don't know if you viewers can see the correct length, but it goes straight to my bum and it's the bomb.com. I will be reviewing this hair and I'll link a video on top there about this hair review, so if you want to know more about this hair. I'm not going to talk a lot. All I'll say is I have a discount code for you viewers and it's my name, Ativeld15, for 15% off. They're also doing a spring/summer sale for 20% off, which is LOVE in capital 20. Every information will be in the description box down below. So now stay tuned for the video tutorial and do not forget to check out the review if you really are interested in the hair. Stay tuned. So viewers, in order to get the perfect tight lace frontal effect without using got-to-be glue or any sort of glue to save your edges, please sew the elastic band. This is the elastic band. Please sew it right close to each other, almost like a 5x5 frontal effect, lace closure effect, almost like a 5x5 lace closure effect. Most of the time the elastic band is sewn at the end. It's not going to give you that tight effect, if you get what I'm trying to say. Most of the time it's sewn at the end. It's not going to give you that tight effect, so sew it close to each side. In front, almost like a 5x5 lace closure measurement or 4x4 lace closure measurement, and this will give you the perfect frontal effect without using any got-to-be glue. Also, this is the airbrush legs by Sally Hansen. This is what I used to spray in between. Yeah, that's the color of it. The Sally Hansen airbrush legs in the shade medium glow, and to give that sort of bleached closure.